So I bought the DJI Action 4, and I set out yesterday to do a first silent street photography video. I wanted to do one of those big suckers, those ones that go on for 30 minutes, even an hour, with some chill music playing, something people could fall asleep to, which I used to do all the time. But I was hoping the weather would be better. I was hoping for more dramatic lighting, but the lighting was just really flat. And I said, screw it, turned my car around, headed back home. And then I realized, no, that's not what I should do. Artists and people who release their art, I think, have a curse of waiting. I know that as a musician here in Nashville, there's been so much time of just waiting for a song mix to sound absolutely perfect, as if that even matters to 99.999% of the listening demographic. And now that I'm doing YouTube with my photography, there's many more elements of waiting for perfect weather so that the photos look better for the viewing audience. I'm going to try my best to break the curse of waiting, and I think you should too. And that's the point of this video. The point of this video is to stop waiting. So I turned my car back around and I headed back to downtown Nashville, and I decided to do some photos in some uninteresting flat lighting, because you know what? That's rock and roll, baby. You play it live. So hope you enjoy some street photography in flat Nashville weather. I am not making the case that people should crank out piss poor material. I think there should be a certain minimum of quality to the work that you already produce. But I think observing all of our content releases under such a fine microscope, which causes procrastination and waiting, I don't know, I think that's a curse. The honest truth is, if you're looking to release content, if you want to be remembered in people's goldfish brains, you can't release content enough. You just can't. As much as it pains me to say that. I mean, you release one good thing and within milliseconds you're forgotten. That's the case when there's millions of people on planet Earth doing the same thing at all times. You literally can't do enough to be remembered. I think waiting comes from some sense of perfectionism. And I think it's important over time to learn how to distribute your perfectionism, where you should put that necessarily.
I'm totally down, man. It's what I do for part of my living.
Sure. I had this code. You can have this.
Thanks, buddy. All right, we'll be in touch. Awesome, man. We'll talk.
These aren't portfolio building images by any means. This is me merely just getting my reps in. This is me just putting time on the pavement and putting time in with my camera.
Hey, I agree. It's a lot of fun.
I had one idea in mind, scratched it. Then I decided to write about why I shouldn't scratch it. If it's a shitty day, go shoot. Go shoot and share the story. And that's the point of this video. The point of this video is to stop waiting.